Kotoko signings. Kotoko signings pa. Na Ose Medical Kasa has been 86 points. And I think Kotoko etie analysis na me be ye wa say no. Into they are signing certain players and I think say they are good. O sign obi to say Richard Bodu Agadas. Player na has Dinachi and over mid season no kra na has sign na ba say sikasem no yes sikasem na here into unya a player like that, a player na has a penal. Those days na sa na no moto players anamboa aso mutu ni na penal na ba kwa eden enya na say ye na ayi na pe has na pe ene ne Kotoko nya no, and I think say obe augmenting 50 we but say Justice Blay Chief Justice Esa Ekonichi. I think say Oranka it was clear and it was made mark say media ma for no jaa omo ho at the time na Kotoko for wan so mo turn no na was anko mo turn ma no because a player what declare say opesoko now woman it's now at the end of the day you didn't achieve target say opesoko league no player na sa it's be pride kra ma match say so ko bo ma kra wan sa mo so akwa say decision na e bad and I know say that's the reason why influence some decision to sell Agadas because if a player no show up so kwa e better say so man because o share after say o mo ya Justice Blay ankoi na o hwemu kotwa no photo shoot pa koi mune ni pa na tumusa be madwa okonya ya kobeko what say mo man netina wanche da mbo game papa bia mfa mo I think against us no ball wonderful football. Apart from that, he didn't play anything papa bia mfa what intentional yen so players no say mo de mo du pepe so bi na say team kese ne discover ne ade agitka no mo no so no mo yen mo philosophy say mo kwase okofa baako na ma ba yen ye and I think it is working for them. So Justice Blay na baya and sika ne de abafam I think that time Kotoko about 2 billion and they didn't Kotoko ready to pay, but today abafam abafam ama wan wi aka nse 3-4 months kra na contract 9 se Kotoko empese epe mabro mbetimi aka say wo dey run contract ne down na wi anu aba but I think se Kotoko ne nka say mo hwese obeba esi Uganda striker be unity yes Makola is coming according to 21 matches I say 11 goals 2 assists Emma Yura Football Club yes so no baba lead Kotoko attack no and he's a player Kotoko di ni chiache last season na Kotoko peso mutono but na afi na no sign new contract e dey ma Euro Sports na say second 1 year and almost believe say yeska and boy ni so ya na so bebo Kotoko they say almost done deal and why granting interview when you say Uganda international about Uganda national team then World Cup qualifier on babo ya friend so a good purchase. Steven Amankona o say any Kotoko here wingers and I think say they believe say Steven Amankona ebeboa I think say yes Amankona ebon home dem pa last season we hear matches o boy any goals or share he is the sole reason why they could chase and relegation so if they want to add him to almost squad now any bad addition na seto say okay say Prosper Ogun first level be one for has player be ambam o say na Amankona e kasa team no na o say no seto say so ka ho o ya da no Prosper Ogun doctor say seto say ba obeti league in first round hey I'm telling you
sa na moko fa keye mu ne alati anabila mo sa na moko keye
mu de no matena fie covid no matena fie a
nten ne anya sa because those players were very good players
no matena fie
ka so be check Kotoko just ni say wum
no matena fie sa anti no no teso mo tena fie sa now
so onya seto say
a obeti league in first round because you me room first level na Prosper Ogun eso person the last season ni na also the room a opese oposa mobodu o dey fear e chesa mobodu mu because say obi o je league no on your target say Chelsea ni Man U ni ada nyina no Liverpool nyina no Man City is their target because I'm no defending champions and I'm boy
yes
it is always a winning league say ya target Samobodu na almost some first 11 am person mu versus ni ma Samobodu hu e be pon hu enie goalkeeper Abalora so na Abalora so ka Prosper the team no ye no also two obet some Christopher Netti now 45 no what say Apple any Ganiu Abdul he's the new captain now also Ganiu and Apple they are very good passer of the ball say young product from the back and also Abalora so e wafa Santitiano say young pass ball from the back so I say Ojibo now Apple and Ganiu will open up then push Imoro be ball left back be pushing them na center line no push it net so am na center line no then Abrante Yefreno Brodu Agadas Richard ebeba no ba draw triangle between ono any Ganiu and Apple no Ojibo na obeteni no twabon dia ma Fabio Gama obebo miss for 3 obebo for 3-3 mutemi oteni no de ma Fabio Gama e options na option is say ne right side one seto say na beda ho it is seto say o say an we push Christopher Nate the na ba ja line so seto say ba efifi ho kakra no ba be zone 14 ho na aba be draw
na zone 14 no
zone 14 no I know o say penalty box no o penalty box ni tika kre bia aba best bia 5 meters a honum na zone 14 eti ono inside so be ko wide no ono be ba inside kakra no wa confusing number 2 no obi obo has 3 no radio vocal because to send that wings one so mo pass from the back obe drop and fifi before Fabio Gama beje ball no attain no na se to say a draw Abrante Yefreno no radio vocal and number 15 then e kwana pai ho na Abrante Yefreno Christopher Netti occupy that space no it Fabio Gama club no our options the option one is obetumi di aside the ball na ma Agadas or the ball na ma no and also obetumi di akọ zone 14 ho e na akọkọma Abrante Yefreno to say and also the bema Abrante Yefreno Christopher Netti that was the build up from the right side now call left side wa similar also obetumi da see yourself was the left side of the midfield eti Agadas jibon na sana obetene or the ball ni ma Abrante Yefreno Mudasiri Salifua ono so option amankona enso be draw either Fatao anasa Khaled boy ni fence
Larry Smela
Larry either be draw maba ujira wa o me pass ball na man free it is a udi na ti so a Gaba beda ho Imoro occupy ho no mo cross ball na Makwela no na tena adam. The lineup is that Rasaka Belowa better person. Ganiu any Apple 5. Then the laterals are Christopher Nete and Abrante Imoro. The over midfield 3 hona Mudasiru Agadas and Abrante Fabio Gama. The Ukwani one mona Amankona at the left side, Abrante Setosai at the right side, then Makwela at the Nimu.
Makwela no do there. Oh, what did I say? Lineup,
I don't do. Unya.
The first 11 here.
This is the first 11. Now I would say almost shana fi ya bought train as I was say change this bar.
Na be do no mu lose wa. The chawo almost 3 years am making by show mo. And the mo e dia.
E never say the mambo 0-0. E do 70th minute. You bet show mo esuom Messi.
Hey,
Clinton. No Obama be yi either amonko na say seto say. Telling you. Sure. Na time na lamte be bobi lamte e no be gina. Lamte no Fabio Gama in a post similar position. To mutu ni ba be fighting for creativity role no. Sir? Yes. Eti na kamika say omo battle na changes e ba no. Na eyaba. Osekrom Elehala. Come on boy say. Aba be yi Makwela. That's a 3-0 no. na amama nema sunyane nema aba beyi amankona na asuom Messi aba beyi setosei na omufu a omasa chew Justice Blay omo aba beyi Agadas
Anything you got to say.
Yes. Na abranche mu da siru me fa say bia you know wa brand ade keke na eba keke na eba
keke wanko we amana nko ono
o debi o be stay on the same juice na ha no o stay no no ai den aba
Asempa FM
kotoko fo se prosper ogun se aka no one signing no one signing no wie eno ye seto say eti champion tia unti nie abrante seto say o se o report camp ba abrante ne se ono wati atua team kotoko no na person obo
committee interview say come for me.
Yes, o se kotoko for no me fan because o se ne dey so nyina ye kotoko na I believe se kotoko nya seto say plus makola ene amakona dadia
kai
kotoko benya 87 points.
Hey,
I'm telling you,
kotoko benya
87 points. If kotoko nya seto say ene beka amankona ene makola ewo ni mo a kotoko benya 87 points. O medum the 1 point be dey fi house.
Are you aware say sometimes o de enthusiasm bi o de vim bi ko sign player bi ba na so that the o hwe so ba be no wa me ya ma and na me man na bila mo examples
won anabila mo de no de ma antumi amfa ne say o mutra fie chei and the place so mutifie a o mutifie sa na gobenu toso te mo muti ni mu nyina etu sa na bila opo wa match bia no pra
gobenu
na toso ene kotoko ne house no o bebe didi gobe a ohini ebe ja kwan house mu ja bebre kwan agoye even ayi owen edofi ayi avikus bae
ti gobenu de
design so de ana kwa no so magical ayi goal scorer oni ayi kotwa picture o de be sign contract ho hai Maradona kotwa picture
ti korokofo
what until the course one year players we the players be to transfer microphone emuni omuti kokum ye na asie
nse achopa kosoma Emmanuel Jemfi
isi makachi ose kotoko ne house no e hotel bi wo woduma onya hwekret ni pamon
kotoko ne house.
Yes, onya hwekret ni pamon ye ni ana house pamon 6 players ayi boni mu ni we boni mu ye dey at the time ani more competitive game bi am pamon boni mu sometimes players bi wo am che wo team mu a omo ni any fighting we bia team ni so we ni fa na ho
to say as a nini
a natural mistake, you cannot change it or chesa lose grabber normal we say any other supporters at the ka crebi no be after then what I say omo ni ambition bia sometimes the pamon onya hwego do pamon na kama wo ba ya obe hwie Latif Anabula I think July somewhere July na omo manager come the Akumi I can say kotoko for terminating the contract want it wa baby online or say no one catch on terminating contract and the management say na terminate am wa because player so kuni coach na problem you don't o manager no coach about bonte make say kotoko vonja no kwa am nko because you know say yampamu players coach ni pam no what I say but we say uja club no akọ and the management ama oya amavo uja say den Emmanuel Jemfi. Yes, I would have loved say play with say Jemfi ni can come Anabila Mumbenya another chance. But I can understand. Real Madrid win your power players. Omo pamo Schneider mo agwan go treble Inter Milan. Omo pamo Van der Vaart mo. You know pamo because you believe say you know show body language ni nyama nkoye. Iti players no majo mo kwan dey. I wish them well. You have opportunity to go and play for another team. Jemfi Bakotoko wabo almost very 7 years.
But so what? But it's on yard pa.
Onya de pa. Onya de pa. Onya consistent. No finishing bad. What to say we are Patrick Razak. Indian was at the bench, Patrick Razak at the bench. And we can only speed merchant. And I think that even
I don't know Jeff to her, no Patrick to her.
If you American no do the two, and you left back and right back and no master, but she from the beer from ma. That I say. The point is that I'm a corner money we no. I'm the numbers never. So to say, on the both second round, one year preseason. On board has good that. Ofi 11 wonders omu promo register the first round wa mbo match bia konya accident trafia na recover ebe 6 goals 6 assists boti kotoko assist na ye kwa cover sa player na ba na oba replace wa
Asempa FM
very omunya kwa na continue there me fuaso.
Okay, all right.
I also menya setosai na ne oposa we minipa me say wakasa coach post
E pen na monya
o so pen it in the mu champion we chiwo munini nyewe na mo boy na mra mabo team na nyama kokan.
Okay,